Okay, jumping back over to the Pocket. As you can see, I've been recording with the Pocket. What you're watching me on now, right now, is the Osmo Pocket. What I was using was the Osmo Action. So let's see what we got. Pop these up quick. I know all my what we can do. Get the cover off here. Let's go. Watch your malfunction. Okay. Push to close. Pulled open. Oh, come on, you're messing around here. Let go. Let's cross those up somehow. Oh, I gotta put these back in the compass one, because this one had all its fuses in it. There we go. This one does not. This is missing. Let's see. Which one? I've got it. Let's see. Which one are you missing on this? We're missing number 29 is missing, and actually number 1 is missing. I don't have my book down here. Tell me what those are. Okay, so battery's plugged in. We should be good to go. Okay, my big question is, she's gonna read. Well, that's my first question. Is she gonna read? Okay. I have a link. Let's see. 100%, and she is reading. Now let's go down. Okay. Ah! What the heck? We got another 1410. Why? This is a totally new one. I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to disconnect you. Let's see if it'll reset. Okay, so we're in the same boat we were in. Yeah, I just turned it around. All right. Now we got these disconnected. Okay, so let's, that actually died. And I plug this back in. Okay. Good. Okay, she's going down. Okay. All right. Okay, plug back in. I'm thinking now. Reset the link again. She's receiving, but implausible IPM, FCM, TIPM, and BCM variant data. Okay, no change. Even taking it from a, pulling it out of the Jeep Compass, it showed the exact same. So, what I'm going to do now is, until I can figure out what's going on, I'm going to go ahead and put the original one back in. And then we'll see where we stand with the new one. So, again, I don't know if these have to be programmed. So, that's where I'm at. I'm getting really good at this. Okay, I'm actually going to time myself this time. See how fast I can freaking swap these out. Okay, people, here we go. Ready, set, we'll go. A couple seconds already because I'm putting it down. Let's do it. Okay, people, there it is. Took me 8.5 minutes. Swap it out. Put the battery back in. So, let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Now, what should happen is it's not going to read, but it's going to start. Thing here. Looking at it. It's reading. It's actually reading. Wow! This is the original one, and it's now reading. Ah, really? Isn't this interesting? Oh, wow. What's going on? Oh, and I got an IPM, another IPM. IFCM, ITPM, BCM, variant data. So, guess what? We need to go to another location. That is the original now turn the link off and turn the key on. Now she is. Wow. Now what do we got? I actually have a reading. Wow. Implausible IPM. FCM, ITPM, and BCM. Variant data. Let's go back to menu. Back to menu. Vehicle information, vehicle ID. We have nothing. Okay, so that's where we are. We have three here, and I got nothing. It's now reading. The data is now reading. But we have nothing. Huh. Isn't that something? Implausible data. Some plausible data. trace was successful. Powertrain, freeze frame, presently stored in the vehicle. Okay. There's a hotkey. Okay. Everything is reading. No powertrain and okay, I don't know what happened here.